Hi my friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Legacy Stacker, and today I'm going to perform an unboxing for you today for a package I just received, so enjoy. And as we begin with this unboxing today, let me know, down in the comments, have you been collecting silver coins? If so, what silver coin collection do you have? Or what silver coin collection are you currently working on? Let me know down in the comments. Come for the coins and stay for the unboxing. But first, to the computer. Now, here at the ST Bullion website, today is Monday, February 12th, 2024. The silver spot price is $22.62. The gold spot price is $2,032, which gives us a gold to silver ratio of 89-1. Hi, my friends. As you can tell, I've made a decision to keep my identity anonymous on this channel for security reasons. Please feel free to participate in my Million Subscribers Challenge by clicking on the subscribe button below. Do you really want to know who I am? If so, please click on the subscribe button below, and when I reach 1 million subscribers, I will move from behind the camera to in front of the camera. That's my challenge to you. Subscribing to my channel won't cost a thing, and most of all, thank you. Here's the disclaimer. Hi my friends, if you've enjoyed the content of my channel and you're interested in collecting and stacking silver coins, You may want to check out my playlists on my Legacy Stacker channel. You can go to my Legacy Stacker homepage by clicking on the Legacy Stacker gold coin right here. Then at the homepage, you can click on the Playlists tab right here. As you can see, I've created over 15 playlists on my channel, so you can check out everything from my Morgan Silver Dollar collection, my Constitutional playlist, or even my most recent or most popular videos. Also, some interesting topics such as my Millionaire series, dividend stocks, or even the fun shows playlists. Also, did you know you can subscribe to my channel just by clicking on this Legacy Stacker gold coin right here at the bottom right hand of the screen? How easy is that? Okay, so now today I wanted to back up a little bit in time and show you what I've been buying, slowly but surely. It's these silver proof sets. There's one there in the center from 1964, with the Kennedy half dollar, the Washington quarter, and the Roosevelt dime, the Thomas Jefferson nickel, and the Lincoln cent. The 3 silver coins in this set are all 90% silver. There's also another set there to the left from the bicentennial, 1776 to 1976, with the Eisenhower dollar, the Kennedy half dollar, and the Washington quarter. It's a 3-coin silver proof set, with each of them 40% silver. And lastly, there's the silver proof sets in the black there from 1992, with the Kennedy half dollar, the Washington quarter, the Roosevelt dime, the Thomas Jefferson nickel, and the Lincoln cent. The 3 silver coins in this set are also 90% silver. And lastly, the red sets in the back like the 2009 silver proof set, which includes 18 coins. It contains the dollar, half dollar, dime, nickel, 6 quarters, 4 presidential dollars, and 4 cents. The Kennedy half dollar, the Roosevelt dime, and the Washington quarters are all 90% silver. The common denominator with all of these sets is that they are all silver proof sets. As you may have noticed, the Kennedy silver proof half dollar is missing in the set in the middle. Why? Because I sent them all off for grading at NGC, which of course led to today's unboxing. I'll cover each Kennedy half dollar proof in an upcoming video, as I review my new Kennedy half dollar proof collection. And I do want to say, although the NGC grading turnaround time has improved, it's still longer than it was back before 2020. To give you an example, I sent my coins from the post office on November 13th. NGC almost immediately confirmed my package of coins to be graded was received on their website. I could check it at any time using their Confirm Package Delivery feature on the ngccoin.com website. It also lets me know when packages are being opened for grading. Here's an example. In this example, it says they are now opening packages delivered the week of December 18th, 2023. NGC opened my package for grading on December 11th, 2023, so just about a month after receiving them. Also, on the NGC website, I could see my submission as they are working on grading them. My coins were completely through grading and quality assurance and shipped back to me on January 16th, 2024, so just about another month later. So the total turnaround time is currently about 2 months. The turnaround time used to be 1 month, then after 2020, it went to about 3 months, and now it's been reduced to 2 months. So that's an improvement. But boy, I sure hope they get back to the 1 month turnaround times I've experienced in the past. But for now, I'm enticed to send more coins for grading, given that the turnaround times are improving. If you would like to send me a letter, a sticker, or even silver or gold, my address is right here, and of course, in the description down below. Anything I receive, I will review on the channel, as these items will be my most precious possessions. And I can promise you, anything I receive, I will never sell. They will remain in my Legacy Stacker Forever collection. A special thank you to all of my loyal members, without whom this channel would not be possible. Thank you, my friends. I truly appreciate your support. And always remember, my friends, silver and gold, it's wealth you can hold in your hands.